This 2024 Crossroads Sunset Trail Super Lite SS253RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Crossroads is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, TV, slide-out, smoke detector, air conditioning, external shower, awning, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, refrigerator, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Crossroads Sunset Trail Super Lite SS253RB is 5,738 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.